Hello everyone and welcome to another Maths tutorial video. Now I'll be discussing Form 4 Additional Mathematics Chapter 3 Quadratic Functions Long Question Example 2. Okay, before that, please like this video to show your support and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Alright, let me read the example 2 question now. Express the quadratic function fx equals to negative 3x squared plus 3x minus 2 in the form a in a bracket x plus h square plus k, where a, h and k are constants. Hence, state the maximum or minimum value of fx, the equation of the axis of the symmetry of the graph of the quadratic function fx. So these are the question, guys. I hope you will attempt this question in the future. If you could manage to solve this question, well done. But if you can't solve this question, no worries. I'm going to show you the step-by-step working and the solutions now. Okay, without further delay, let us start our discussion for the solution. Start from question part A followed by the question part B. Okay, let us begin. So to start off, I rewrite the whole equation here. Fx equals to negative 3x squared plus 3x minus 2. Okay, from here, let me show you the next step. So what I do, the coefficient of a negative 3. So I change it such a way that it become 1, guys. So how to change it to become 1? You divide the whole quadratic equation into negative 3. Okay, so that is the main step, guys. Because in the following step, we're going to apply the completing the square method. So you divide the whole equation by negative 3, or to be more precise, you factor them out, okay, and you put in a square bracket x squared minus x plus 2 over 3. Okay, from here, let us continue to the next step. Okay, so from here, so what you do, okay, you take a look at the coefficient of b, guys. Okay, the coefficient of b is negative 1. Okay, in order to complete the square, what you do, the coefficient of b, you divide by 2 and then you square it. So this is what we're going to apply, guys, completing the square method. So the coefficient of b is negative 1. So from here, we're going to apply negative 1 over 2 and then you square. And then you add the plus over here. Okay, when you add the plus over here, you need to add the minus over here at the same time. So plus negative 1 over 2 square, and then you minus negative 1 over 2 square. Okay, and then you plus with 2 over 3. Okay, for the next step, what you're going to do, so this expression x square minus x plus negative 1 over 2 square, okay, we can factor this out, or to be more precise, we can simplify this in the factor version of x minus 1 over 2 square, guys. Okay, so because if you expand this, you'll get back this expression. Okay, so from here you'll get x minus 1 over 2 square and then minus 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3. So this negative 1 over 2 square, you solve the power, okay, and then you times with the negative value. So from here you get negative 1 over 4. Okay, and then you plus with 2 over 3, guys. Okay, let us continue to the next step. So negative 1 over 4 plus 2 over 3. So from here you get 5 over 12. Okay, if you think that this is the final answer, this is not the final answer, guys. You still have negative 3 over here. So what you do, now you times the negative 3 back into the equation. So from here, this is your final answer, guys. From here you get negative 3 in a bracket x minus 1 over 2 square minus 5 over 4. Okay, how I get negative 5 over 4? 5 over 12, you times it negative 3, guys. So that's how you get this expression. Okay, I hope you understand the working that I've shown to you. So let us proceed to the question part B. Okay, once you have formed this general form, okay, the rest should be easy, guys. Okay, so this is the coefficient of A, and this is the coefficient of H, and this is the coefficient of K. Okay, let us continue. So in the question part B, they ask us to find the maximum or minimum value of fx. Okay, since the coefficient of A is less than 1, which is give us the negative value, so we know that it gave us the maximum value. So in this case, our maximum value is negative 5 over 4. Okay, so it's very straightforward, guys. So from here, your maximum value will be negative 5 over 4, or you can write negative 1 over 4. You can write in improper fraction or mixed fraction. So it's up to you, guys. Okay, this value you can get and you can use it as a maximum value. For the axis of symmetry equation, okay, you can use this x minus 1 over 2. Okay, let us show the working. So axis of symmetry, x minus 1 over 2 is equal to 0. So to find x, so what you do, this negative 1 over 2, you move it over to the right hand side. So from here you get x equals to 1 over 2. So this is your axis of symmetry equation, guys. Okay, so that is all for the step-by-step working and solution for this question. So I hope you understand the full working that I've shown to you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming mathematics tutorial videos in the future. Thank you everyone for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.